Namaste everyone. Greetings from Binksy. This video today is going to be about pet dental care and eye care. So Binksy is going to be kind of a little model for me, and he's going to demonstrate teeth brushing. I like using a finger brush. I'll show you the products I use a little later. I'm going to just make sure that he's tolerant. So you want to kind of stimulate their gums. If they're okay with it, then you can proceed. So you're going to try and get these back molars here. That's where a lot of food gets stuck. You want to always brush your pet's teeth with their mouth closed and do it quickly, gently, and kindly. Good job, buddy. I love you. You did a good job, okay? And so that's the finger brush. There's variations of pet toothbrushes. Again, as long as you're doing something that's pet specific, it's usually good. These are the products I've used. This is a good breath spray. It helps control bad breath and plaque. Pets don't generally like when you spray it straight to their mouths, so I usually recommend to apply the spray to your product. They just don't like that sound, and then the sensation kind of just freaks them out. So we don't want to freak them out. This is a toothpaste I use. Also, to help take care of pets' teeth, they have different treats. Greenies are a very popular one. These are ones that I use, the Billy and Margot dental treats, different flavors. This is apple and green tea. I like to freeze them. Again, so many variations. These are just ones I use. You can use different ones. Just make sure everything is always pet intended, and you do supervise your pet when you're giving them some sort of large object that they're going to eventually kind of work down, just to prevent any choking. Usually we'll tell you in the bag, but just always practice safe pet healthcare. Okay, so next we're going to move on to eye care. These eye wipes are the ones that I like to use. They're very soothing, non-irritating. I've used them on cats and dogs. I even use them sometimes on the inside of the ear flap I guess I can show it on you, Binksy. Some pets, their ears are fine, but I'm just saying some pets, they get like little flakiness or very much sensitivity around there. The chamomile and the cucumber is very soothing and non-irritating, and I really like this product. It smells so good, but I just feel like it cleans very well, and most important, I feel that it really does help. I feel like it helps with whatever the ailment is in the eye or around the ears. Again, they're intended eye wipes, but I've even used them as ear wipes. And when you are working with your pet's eye, if they have any sort of excess material coming out, you want to be very gentle. This is where the eye wipes or washing their face can come into play. If you have pets that just have kind of these eye crusties that build up, especially pets with long hair or wrinkles around the eyes, like Shih Tzus, Pekingese, anything long haired, really, anything poodle mix for sure gets these little eye gucks. Instead of picking them off, you can use a flea comb. This is very effective because since the little prongs are so close together, it kind of just works on like everything and taking them out. And you always want to scoop away from the eye. You don't want to go in towards the eye, because again, you just never want to irritate your pet's eye. So you would work against it like this. And the most important thing with grooming is also desensitizing your pet to it. I highly recommend and encourage people to do some self-home grooming of some sort, just because if you can make the experience that much less awful for your fur baby, why not? And they do need some sort of grooming regularly. Every baby, even though my pets are all pretty minimal grooming maintenance, they all require a little bit of something. So again, just kind of getting them used to brushing, and just the sensation of something rubbing on them is really good. So I'll do a couple other videos on that, but this is just wrapping up our proper eye care and dental care. Namaste everyone, groom with love, and always be kind to the furry ones. Actually, to all kind. Bye, Binksy.